Hi guys, this is Sassy Shift Stays. Welcome back to my channel. I thought let me just do a small little vlog for you guys today because today is going to be an interesting day with me. We are on our way to Safilo's exclusive sunglasses collection launch. I'm really excited for it because I for one have been following them for the longest time now, and I know for a fact that they, when it comes to prescription sunglasses or be it your sports eyewear or be it just your regular sunglasses or frames, they have been one of the pioneers in the world because they have catered to and supplied to some of the biggest name in the fashion circuit, right from Jimmy Choo and Marc Jacobs. So when I heard that they will be showcasing an exclusive preview of their sunglasses collection right here in Mumbai, I was like, I have to be there, right, and give you all the tea. So we are on our way to Four Seasons where the preview is happening, and I'm so excited for it. So I'm sure you guys are as much impressed as I am by seeing amazing collection. I mean, the sportswear and the Polaroids along with Safilo's in-house glasses and the Carrera particularly stood out for me, and I feel that they've covered everything. I mean, they've covered everything right from the studded eyeglasses to beautiful detailing and cuts to the quirky colors. They've covered just everything, and I feel that the limited edition of Polaroid that you saw me in, I just tried all four of them. They have like two neonish fluorescent funky colors and two safer colors of black and light blue. I feel that they're here to stay, and before we know it, they're going to be off the shelves, and I feel that I can live here. This was like coming to my favorite place and getting to see such new designs before they launched. It was a fabulous press day, and Safilo is always, like I said at the beginning of the video, they've been pioneers when it comes to prescription sunglasses, and each and every design that I saw was also light, fabulous, and it was trendy. They've got all the global trends right bang on, and they've got it here, and so happy that we will get to be a part of it and make it a part of our personal style statement. So double thumbs up. So this is a Marcella Shimmery number from Max & Co, and I think it's really my go-to number for anything where I want to don't opt for like subtle makeup and go for bold sunglasses. That's my pick. This I picked from Polaroid, jet black, and it comes with really chic frames, and it's so super lightweight, and I feel that it can be your complete day number and perfect accessory to take you from boho to casual to everything in between, and I love it. And the last one that I have, that's also from Polaroid, the last one. I really love this print that you see with the hint of blue on the frames. Everything that I liked over here was blue for some reason, and pink of course, and maroonish, and all the quirky neonish shades also that you saw. So yeah, and by the way, for the Polaroid brand and options that you saw sunglasses, Our very own diva Anushka Sharma is the brand ambassador, and she looks stunning in the limited edition sunglasses. This is me, Sassy Shipses, signing off.